कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पर आक्रमण कर रहे हैं और जो अंबेडकर जी की मेमोरी है उसका अपमान कर रहे हैं।
And in the latest coming in, as the Sansad assault-gate storm rages on, there's protest versus protest that's planned by both sides. Right now, the Congress party has decided to hold protests across all their district headquarters. To get us the latest, we have Niyamika joining us. Niyamika, another day, the last day of the winter session, expected to be stormy once again in the back of the Sansad assault-gate, with the charges flying thick and fast between the Congress and the BJP. The Congress is now planning multiple protests at all their district headquarters. Take us through the latest when it comes to the Congress party strategy.
Well, I would first like to show you the visuals here as we have arrived here at Vijay Chowk, and behind me are the Congress party MPs who are currently holding a protest at Vijay Chowk against the statement which was being given by the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. For that reason, not just the Congress but there are other India Bloc MPs who are also being present here, and they are raising slogans against the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. They are seeking an apology on his part and saying that he must resign from his position of a Union Home Minister. As in fact, the Congress Party's General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is also being present here. She is also holding this protest. You can see that in the visuals as well, that how they have also created a human chain here as they are holding this protest, raising slogans against the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. We have also been joined by Congress Party's Lok Sabha MP Mr. Haibi Eden with us. Sir, it was you only who had written a letter and stated it very clearly that you were the eyewitness there. Whatever allegations have been leveled against Mr. Rahul Gandhi, an FIR has also been launched against him. How do you see this matter?
So the entire idea is to divert the attention from Sri Amit Shah. The entire idea is not to apologize on the Ambedkar issue. The entire idea is not for the parliament to function. So the treasury bench and the government is very clear. Whenever the speaker gave a ruling about not to block the Makardwar, we had followed it. And whenever there is a protest for the first time in the history of the parliament, it is quite shameful being a parliamentarian to say this.
And as we get you the latest, we also have a fresh reaction coming in from Dimple Yadav. Let me go across to Priyank, who's also tracking these protests. Priyank, over to you.
Yeah, certainly, Jia ma'am and Dimple Yadav, both of them are there. Ma'am, you were saying that you were present at the location when this happened. What do you have to say about it?
I think it was a big sham. I think that to have used that lady MP from Naga, disgusting, shameful, and I'm so upset that she decided to get used.
But, ma'am,
they were, in fact, these people, they were so aggressive, and they were standing on the steps. They were not allowing people to go inside the house. I didn't want to go. Then Dimple said, "नहीं चलिए मैं आपको लेके जाती हूँ."
Ma'am, what did you see?
There was a lot of noise. There was a lot of noise and इतना crowded and everybody was like एक दूसरे के ऊपर like face. This only happened क्योंकि बीजेपी मुझे लगता है कि सोचा समझी चाल के तहत उन्होंने ये किया है. इस तरह का फेस ऑफ पार्लियामेंट में कभी देखने को नहीं मिला है.
Unprecedented scene, one MP getting injured. Don't you...
all a big drama. You know that Mr. Raju.
जब staircase हैं और जब इतने सारे लोग आमने सामने हैं तो you are about to fumble on the steps. और अगर एक फंबल होता है तो gradually जो पीछे के लोग फंबल होंगे. तो मैं समझती हूँ इसके लिए केवल भारतीय जनता.
All right, so that's Priyank, who's getting us the latest when it comes to the protest versus protest that's going on. So on one side, you have INDIA bloc MPs who are now marching from Vijay Chowk. They'll be marching from Vijay Chowk to Parliament. When it comes to the BJP, what is the BJP doing? BJP MPs are currently gathering at Prerna Sthal amid the entire controversy that's brewing. Now, BJP MPs were instructed to gather at the Mahatma Gandhi statue, and this is happening at a time when there is a protest by INDIA MPs who are marching from Vijay Chowk. Then you have BJP MPs who are gathering at Prerna Sthal. Pragya getting us the latest. Let's cut across.
So the BJP MPs are protesting at Gandhi statue today against yesterday's confrontation they had with the opposition MPs. Many of them are saying that the two of the MPs that have been injured has been unprecedented and never have ever they saw any kind of scenes. In fact, in the parliament, we'll try to speak of few of these MPs just to know what they are protesting. आप सतीश जी किस लिए प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं आज?
देखिए, जिस तरह से आदिवासी बहन का अपमान किया राहुल गांधी के द्वारा, उस अपमान को हिंदुस्तान नहीं सहेगा। देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने हमेशा बहनों का सम्मान किया, आदिवासी बहन को राष्ट्रपति बनाने का काम किया है, उनका अपमान करने का।
So the BJP MPs are protesting at Gandhi statue today against yesterday's confrontation they had with the opposition MPs. Many of them are saying that the two of the MPs that have been injured has been unprecedented and never have ever they saw any kind of scenes. In fact, in the parliament, we'll try to speak of few of these MPs just to know what they are protesting. आप सतीश जी किस लिए प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं आज?
देखिए, जिस तरह से आदिवासी बहन का अपमान किया राहुल गांधी के द्वारा, उस अपमान को हिंदुस्तान नहीं सहेगा। देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने हमेशा बहनों का सम्मान किया, आदिवासी बहन को राष्ट्रपति बनाने का काम किया है, उनका अपमान करने का।
So there you saw the protest by the BJP. The BJP MPs are alleging, one, the fact that Rahul Gandhi assaulted their senior MPs and also intimidated a woman MP. They claim that we will not tolerate the insult to our MPs. So protest versus protest. On one side of your screens, you have visuals of INDIA MPs who are marching from Vijay Chowk to Sansad. On the other side, you are seeing how BJP MPs have gathered at Prerna Sthal, which is the Gandhi statue, to register their protest against Rahul Gandhi. In the meantime, you also have, the kind of FIR that has been filed, in which obviously the attempt to murder charge has been dropped, but the focus will now also be on the investigation. So this is the latest. This is the latest that's coming in at this point of time. Visuals on your screens of the protest versus protest that's playing out. Let's go across to our reporters who's joining us. We have Priyank joining us. Priyank, take us through the protest of the INDIA bloc, because the escalation, the dramatic political escalation and the confrontation between the BJP and the INDIA over charges of assault that took place yesterday near the Makar Dwar doesn't seem to be ending. What's the latest?
Yes, Sati Sagdika, if you look at the statement coming out from Jaya Bachchan as well as Dimple Yadav, both of them have been saying that it was on the stairs, the incident happened on the stairs, and if someone is being pushed, then certainly injuries were bound to happen. So the Samajwadi Party is saying that it was an orchestrated event where the BJP planned it such a manner that there should be an FIR in this issue, and they are saying that it was all drama which has happened inside the premises of the parliament. But following to the complaint which was filed by the member of parliament from the Bharatiya Janata Party, the Delhi police have lodged an FIR under sections of assault. One of the sections, Agnika 117, is certainly non-bailable. And on the other side, what we are getting to know that the Delhi police has not sent any summons to Rahul Gandhi and to other MPs who have been made accused in this case, although they have not have been named apart from Rahul Gandhi. But there is no plan of the Delhi police so far to send the summon to Rahul Gandhi as of now. What I'm getting to know that the case could be transferred to the crime branch. While we are keeping on to the visuals, we can tell you to viewers that on the basis of the complaint which was given, the Delhi police have filed a FIR. On the basis of all these allegations, the Delhi police have taken cognizance of the issue. But the complaint of the Congress party has not been converted into an FIR. It's certainly something which is very important to be seen as per this moment. All these MPs of from the opposition have been putting their protest here. You can see Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also part of the protest. We saw Jaya Bachchan, and other senior top leaders of the Congress party and other TMC and other parties have already been present here. We would attempt to, see that whether Ms. Priyanka Gandhi ji can respond to the query, but she is a part of the protest as of now, and certainly we are not allowed to, ask some questions. But if you look at the protest which is happening right outside the parliament after what has been told by the speaker, that there won't be any protest inside the parliament. So everything which has to happen, it will happen outside the protest. So the event, yesterday's event has made it such that the protest which was supposed to happen inside the parliament has shifted outside the parliament, and certainly that is something which will have a larger impact on the strategy of the opposition parties, which can be seen here. They have been protesting, and they will attempt to march, and what we are getting to know that they will be stopped if they attempt to move outside the periphery of the Vijay Chowk.
All right, so protest versus protest there. Live update from Priyank, who's tracking the INDI bloc's protest. Let me now go across to Pragya, who's there at the Prerna Sthal where the BJP MPs have gathered. Last day of the winter session. Stormy scenes even before the session convenes, and when it comes to the Sansad assault gate and the politics around it, charges are flying thick and fast. On one hand, you're seeing how the INDIA MPs are being led by Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who's there marching. And then you also have Pragya tracking the BJP's protest, claiming, stepping up the pressure on leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi. Latest reaction coming in from the BJP protest. Let's listen in.
आप आज यहाँ इकट्ठा हुए हैं, राहुल गांधी से कह रहे हैं माफी मांगने के लिए। क्या रीजन है आपको लगता है आप माफी मांगने के लिए बोल रहे हैं?
कल जिस तरह से संसद में राहुल गांधी जी ने धक्का मुक्की करी और एक उम्र में भी बड़े और सीनियर सांसद को धक्का दिया और जिससे उन्हें चोट लगी। राहुल गांधी जी युवा हैं, उन्हें अपनी ताकत का प्रदर्शन इस तरह से नहीं करना चाहिए। अपनी आवाज उठाने का सबको अधिकार है। अलग से पैसेज बना हुआ था जहाँ से वो जा सकते थे, लेकिन वो जानबूझ के भीड़ के अंदर घुसे और उन्होंने इनको सारंगी को धक्का मारा है। हम इसकी मांग करते हैं कि उन्हें माफी मांगनी चाहिए और सारंगी जी को जिस तरह से चोट पहुंचाई वो बहुत गलत है।
अरुण जी, राहुल गांधी कह रहे उन्होंने कोई धक्का ही नहीं दिया और बीजेपी झूठ बोल रही है।
बीजेपी झूठ नहीं बोलती, राहुल गांधी हमेशा झूठ बोलते हैं। झूठ के अगर कोई सरदार है, झूठ बोलने के सरदार तो राहुल गांधी है, और झूठ की फैक्ट्री है तो कांग्रेस पार्टी है।
और कहा जा रहा है
झूठ बोलना, संसद को गुमराह करना, देश की जनता को गुमराह करना, यही राहुल गांधी का कृतित्व रह गया, यही काम रह गया।
आपके इन डंडों पर भी ऑब्जेक्शन उठाया है कांग्रेस ने।
ये डंडा क्या, ये तो डंडा नहीं है, गांधी जी का डंडा है। गांधी, इसमें क्या दिक्कत है भाई? ये इसमें क्या है?
माफी मांगो।
प्ले कार्ड है, सिंपल।
आपको लगता है जो सीन्स हमने कल पार्लियामेंट में देखे वो नहीं होने चाहिए थे?
देखिए, इसकी शुरुआत किसने की? कांग्रेस ने की। जब संसद शुरू हुआ तो शुरू में 5-6 दिन में उन्होंने हटाने के मुद्दे को लेकर घेरना शुरू किया, और वो भी जाट सौरभ से मिल करके विदेशियों के षड्यंत्र। फिर उसके बाद हमारे जो राज्यसभा के जो अध्यक्ष हैं उनके खिलाफ लगातार उन्होंने अवमानना के नोटिस, उनके खिलाफ अविश्वास प्रस्ताव दिया, वो हंगामा किया। उसके बाद अब झूठे तरीके से अम्बेडकर का इश्यू।
And so the war of words is only escalating. There you heard how BJP MPs are stepping up the pressure on Rahul Gandhi. Meanwhile, a countercharge coming in from the Congress, straight from the INDIA bloc's protest, where they are marching from Vijay Chowk to Sansad. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra there accusing the BJP of, in fact, desperation. They say the Priyanka Gandhi Vadra coming out in defense of her brother and saying that these FIRs filed against Rahul Gandhi by the BJP reeks of desperation. Let's play that out.
केस देख रहे हैं, राहुल जी पे तमाम इन्होंने केस लगा रखे हैं, कभी नया FIR निकालते हैं, झूठ बोलते हैं, पूरा देश देख रहा है। इससे ये दिखता है कि उनका डेस्परेशन लेवल क्या है। देश देख रहे हैं, राहुल जी पे तमाम इन्होंने केस लगा रखे हैं, कभी नया FIR निकालते हैं, झूठ बोलते हैं, पूरा देश देख रहा है। इससे ये दिखता है कि उनका डेस्परेशन लेवल क्या है।
And the member of parliament who in fact went to the police station yesterday, the Parliament Street police station, to file the complaint against Rahul Gandhi, Hemang Joshi, he's spoken to Times Now. What are his allegations? Let's listen in.
We have a CCTV footages of the gate. We have the security personnel. We have just filed an FIR as per our party's discussion. And Mr. Anurag Thakurji has elaborately told whatever charges we want against them. But police will do their own investigation and the truth will come out. I just want one action that whosoever is a culprit, it should be punished. The proper and just punishment should be done to him. And another thing that the whole nation should come to know, that if a leader of opposition will endorse such actions, such physical frictions, then where they want to take our democracy to.
With that, we slip into a short commercial break, but we'll be keeping our focus on the live updates coming in from Parliament as the Sansad Assault Gate storm is only escalating.